Thank you for coming back to the channel and for watching these videos as always. Today we're doing something slightly different. Finally, as you can see, we've got some sunny weather here in Essex, so I thought I'd take my wife and my son over to boats.co.uk and their Essex Marina to look at the boats for sale. This serves two major purposes. One, it keeps my lottery win shopping list up to date, and two, I'm just starting to think about what should be our next boat purchase, so I come over here for some inspiration. Just the drive in starts to get me all excited. The first thing that grabs our attention are these lovely Parkers. They're at the very top end of my budget, but as you can see, they're not much larger than my Antares 780 that I've got, but they're just much more modern. They've got the flexi teak, they've got the bow thruster, and interior wise it's a great setup. Although with these huge Mercury outboard engines, I think they're going to be a lot more juicy than my 150 horsepower Suzuki. That's a view of the realistic. Now I need to switch my attention to the lottery shopping list. Let's go for it. The dream boat really needs to have a flybridge, but I'm not sure on this particular flybridge yacht with its solid transom. It's just not doing it for me, unfortunately. And then we have a smaller flybridge yacht, but it's just not big enough. Hang on a minute, I know I wanted a flybridge, but this starts to fit the ticket quite nicely. And it's also the one that drew my wife's attention straight away. And I love these Botany Targas, but it's just not the kind of boat that I'd be spending my money on if I won the lottery. But then again, where I live on the Essex coastline, where it gets pretty choppy in the winter, having a fast, rugged boat might be just the ticket to have something local to play with. And the quick glimpse of the sea line there was lovely, but hang on a minute, these two here have caught my wife's attention. So this Prestige behind me, this is one of the boats that when they used to do the boat show at the XL Centre in London, this is one of the ones that my daughter, my friend and his kids used to go on. And now back to the sea line. I really like these, but I think those portholes for the bedrooms, they do look like piss holes in the snow, so I'm afraid it's out. And just coming to the shot now, there's a Project Sunseeker, so I've no idea how it got ruined, but it's a project boat. But if you won the lottery, would you really bother about it? I'm not sure you would. And you've got this lovely Predator here next to it, but again, starting to look a bit dated, so it wouldn't be where my lottery millions would be going, even though it's a few £100,000. Then we have another gorgeous sea line here, but again, those portholes just start to look a bit dated compared to more modern boats. Of all the Exotica on display here at boats.co.uk today, there's really only one win for me, and it's this Prestige yacht. For me, it's got everything you need for perfect Mediterranean lifestyle living. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.